My name is Janice Trice. I've been here since 1974, and this is the South Shore community. The porch was like it was when we moved here, and over the years we got cracks and different things like that, so I had it covered up with carpeting for a while. And I know that concrete is supposed to breathe, they say, so I decided this year to have it all torn down, called someone in, and they gave me a beautiful porch. I love it tremendously. It changes the whole appearance of my house, and I'm able to sit out on it and don't feel shame about it. And it just beautifies the whole block. We all try to beautify our block. You know, when one does something, everybody else does something.